Hello my fellow creators, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be using these beautiful little floral papers I had in my stash of 6x6 papers. One of my goals this year is to use up a good amount of my 6x6 papers. And this is how I store them. So I have two of these boxes full of 6x6 papers. And some of them, and then I put them in these pockets. I got them on Amazon. They're the perfect size to hold 6x6 paper pads, as long as they're not too thick of a pad. If they are, then I have to break them up into two pockets, but that still works. So this paper was in an envelope, and here's the empty envelope. And I don't remember who made this paper. I think it might have been in one of the card kits I purchased maybe 2 years ago. So I'm going to go ahead and make some sympathy cards. You may hear a noise in the background. Again, my grandson. And I'm going to use this Sympathy Greeting Mix set by Simon Says Stamp that I bought. I think I got it during Stamptember. Yes, it's a Stamptember stamp set. So it's hard to make sympathy cards on the spot when you need them. So I want to have some in my stash. Then I went ahead and I used my scan and cut out a bunch of scallop circles and regular circles. This kept me from having to do die cutting multiple times. So the plan is to fit the gray onto the scallop circle. And I just adjust the size of the shape I want to cut on my scan and cut, and it works out really well when I want to make multiple cards. So let's get started. here are the cards I made. I did change it up a bit from my original plan, but I think they turned out okay. So I made 10 cards, not bad, and that took me about an hour, so I think I did okay. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Let me know in the comments below which of these cards you like best. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.